YouTube, what's going on? So, in today's video, I would like to talk to you guys about Disney, right? And a reason why I'm gonna be buying Disney. Hopefully something like a leap option. Most likely I'm gonna get a leap option. I will tell you guys why. This is what I call, if you guys, I have a video up on my channel on how I find support and resistance, and Disney is about to hit it pretty nicely. You can also buy the stock too because it's been pulled back quite a bit. So let's say that let's say that the stock was somewhere like right here, right? Well, in order for me to find my support, right, the first one would have been right here. This is where I would have drawn, let me see real fast. I would have drawn my support. The first support is right here. It would be called a weak support because it's simply a higher low, right? It came down, the trend then continued up, right? However, it's still high up on the food chain, basically for me, because it's really up from where its next support I would have found, which was down here. So this would be my main support. Then this would be my second support. So it created this one because we're coming down, and this was the last low before we create a higher low, and then a higher low with a double bottom right here, and then it continued up. So I would have, like, let's say I bought right here. All right. Now earnings happened and it broke that support. And now look, it was getting rejected right here, right? Now, remember, I just drew this up literally a few seconds ago. And as you can clearly see, now you look over here, you're like, oh, wow, look, it was being rejected. And then it got rejected, right? It got rejected. And where was the last support? Now, I'll be honest with you, I would have never guessed that Disney would have actually came all the way back down here, but it did. It's literally right here, right? Now, I'm gonna wait. Hopefully most likely by the end of the day. I got earnings again October 7th. By the end of the day, I'm most likely gonna buy a leap option here. Do I have earnings? So I will see if I want to hold through earnings or not. But if we did lose this level right here, the next support for me is all the way down here, right? This would be, is this the final support? No, I doubt it's the final support, but let me look at something real fast. If this is like the final support, no. But this support basically has to hold up because this one right here, this is the type of, let's say we lose this level, right? If we lose this level, I will go harder on this level. Why? Because this is what I like to call my favorite support levels, where where if they lose this support, Disney, I'm pausing because it'd be bad. It'd be really bad. This is basically going back down to $14 and basically down to $14. Now, it seems unlikely, but trust and believe me that it is absolutely possible. I know it sounds crazy, but it's absolutely possible. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but what I'm saying, the next support after this is $14. Now, maybe a little bit right here at $25. You could maybe see a little bounce right here, but I'm $14 for me next. So I would say, so I'll give it this one. Maybe like $25 type thing situation, and then we have another one right here. So Disney's is in trouble a little bit. Not bad trouble, but just support needs to hold up basically. Earnings, if you notice earnings, their earnings have been good. Let me see this one. Oh, they missed. They have good earnings, but they're losing money. Yeah, so they're losing money on their earnings. So they get hit one place, they hit like other things, but they're losing money. So unless they're profitable in the next earning, we might see Disney come down a little bit lower. So I would definitely, however, look for a bounce here. So for me personally, even if I buy the leap option, I'm going to put a stoppie on it. But I am going to buy my first contract right here. It's about to hit, hopefully by the end of the day, because I have a feeling they might hit it in the pre-market, and I'll mostly have to buy the option maybe a little bit higher than I would like, but I'll basically buy it. And if we lose this level, even like a tick below this level right here, then yeah, I'm most likely not going to hold the leap option, because once you break support, in my eyes, that support no longer is support. It's a strong support. Obviously, we could still carry up, but in my eyes, I just don't like that. I'd rather wait for it to come down to my final support, which let me actually list it as that. I actually have main resistance, main support right here, and I usually this would be called main support too, because it's actually pretty strong. Because after this bottom, we really went high, so this support is pretty strong. So I'll actually name this one a main support as well. So I have two main supports level that's for Disney. So that's about it, guys. See you guys in my next one. Peace.